Your blessings are being blocked. Yeah, your blessings are being blocked, but not by someone else, by you. This is you. Your cup is not filled. You are dwindling water, right? Right. Now let's add in a drop of doubt. We're going to add in 2 drops of stress. Oh, a couple more came. And then we're going to go ahead and add in a whole bunch of you overextending your energy and holding on to things that no longer serve you. Now let's take a look at your water. You see that? This is all the things that's holding you down and blocking your blessing. Now, these are the prayers that you've been sending up to God, asking God to change your situation and help you change what it is that you are going through, help you clean your water, help you refill your cup, right? But then you don't want to release what God is trying to tell you you need to release, and God is trying to pour your blessings in, but they being blocked. You see that? The water can't go in the cup until you open up your hand and release what no longer serves you. Once you open it up and you release, then all of your blessings can be poured back in to the point to where it overflows. And this water will no longer be murky. Stop blocking your blessings. Open up your hands. Release what God says no longer serves you. Release what is blocking you from you. Sometimes it is your own limiting beliefs. Sometimes it is the things that you pour into yourself internally. If you keep saying that, oh my God, my money is fleeting, I'm broke, but you are speaking that amongst yourself, and it is stopping your abundance. Now, God told me that you're not going to get that message, so I'm going to give it to you in a different way of how you blocking your blessing. This is my 11-year-old son. Son, I want you to take a deep breath, and I want you to hold it. Now, this is how you got your hands closed. You take a deep breath, and you said, I know I need to take another breath, but I'm so scared because I don't know if I'm going to get another breath. But your body is going to cause you to do what? No, release it. To take another deep breath. Thank you, sir. Good job. Stop holding your breath. Stop holding on to things that no longer serve you. That can be people, places, things, belief systems. You have the power to overcome. Here is where it starts. How you take care of yourself, how you pour into yourself, how you speak about yourself is only a direct reflection of what you see outside of yourself. So, stop blocking your blessing. I love you.